Hi, everybody. This is the last video in the sequence that we have right now. And we are going to talk about CSS. Okay, so let me share my screen because I want to show to you the file that we have right now, the page that we have, a very simple page with some headings, some paragraphs. We have a table right here, the footer. Okay, so I'm going to show the code. And at the end, after we apply some CSS to it, we are going to have something like that. It does not look wonderful or anything, but just for you to see some CSS applied. Okay, so let me show to you the code, the simple code with no CSS applied at all. Okay, so here is the code that we have. And I separated on purpose the tags like that, so it makes it easier for you to see, because again, we are going to be showing here the use of inline CSS with the style attribute. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to explain to you is when applying background color and background image. Okay, so I'm going to apply here some style, okay, for the background image and the background color for the whole page. So I'm just going to copy here the code so we can have something here for you. And I'm going also to have here the background color light cyan. Oh, light gray, sorry. Okay, so right now what I have is I have the body, okay, and the body, it's going to have a background image. That image, of course, is in the same folder. I'm not going to have to explain this anymore because we have explained that in relative and absolute path and when we talked about images. So it's in the same folder of this web page here, and the background color that I put the color value, light gray, or I can also put, for example, the hexadecimal color, okay, in hexadecimal, starting with the pound and the hexadecimal values. Or in the case of the background image, I always have to put the name of the image inside the URL, okay, like you see here. So if I save this and I refresh my page that did not have any CSS at all on the browser, you're going to see the background image applied. And then you might ask, why are you applying a background color together with the background image like I did? This is generally a kind of a backup plan in case something happens with that image, in case the image is not downloaded correctly to the user's computer. So at least the user would have the background color being light gray, just to be kind of similar to the gray background color that you see right now. Okay, so I'm going to stop sharing because right now, in terms of the background image and the background color, that's what I need to explain to you. So in that case, I'm applying the background color and the background image to the whole body. Okay, so it's including the headings, the paragraphs that are inside this web page. Okay, so see you next time.